Hi, my name is Tina and I created a company called DIY Home Water Filter. That company sells the course to build a filter at home that does the same job as a municipal water treatment plant and a commercial water system. And today I'm going to talk about the first thing you need to do before you decide that you need to purchase my course to build a filter. You need to test your water. I can't say it enough. Test, test, test. People always say, oh, I have hard water, oh, I have this. You don't know for sure unless you test. And the things that are lurking in the background are the things that you won't even know you have in your water unless you test. And I've heard that it's very popular on social media right now to do reveals. I purchased some stuff. This came in a package that you could see. So this is a total dissolved solid meter that you can buy and have at home for a couple bucks. And then this stuff, I actually forget what I bought. I just wanted to buy a smattering of things. Oh, here we have, and I don't want to put on any company. This is a 16-in-1 home test kit. They're cheap as anything. You buy them, you get them in this little container. I don't want to advertise any company. And I don't recommend any particular company, even though it's probably showing there. Just read reviews from people that say it's easy to use, it's accurate, and all that. And you take these dipsticks out, and you dipstick your water, and then you check it against the color meters here. I recommend if you're going to do a home test kit, I'm a medical technologist, so I did this hundreds of times a day on urine and whatever. So I'm accurate and quick, can check the colors on the chart. Have a couple of people, have somebody do the first section, the second section, and the third section, because you have to do it in a timed way. And I think there's something else in here. Yes, there is. I couldn't even see it. It's a drinking water test for pesticides and lead. So you can get all kinds of tests online, but if you're not confident doing that, that's how I did it for mine, because that's what I did for a living my whole life, was testing. If you're not confident doing that, you can go to your local health department or your agricultural extension center at your local university. They'll do it for a reasonable cost in a reasonable amount of time, and it will be accurate. Because they send them the specimens that you bring in, they send to a company that's been certified. The third way is a commercial company. They're way more expensive and can be wildly expensive depending on what you want tested. But again, they're a licensed facility and you'll get accurate results. So please, please, please test your water. And in my course, I do everything from talking about testing to all the way to maintenance on the filter once you build it. You'll get all of the information that you need, and I hope to see you in the course. Thank you so much.